Arrabiata sauce is known for its heat and intensity. It is incredibly versatile. Welcome to this quick guide on making a classic Italian Arrabiata sauce. This fiery, tomato-based sauce is simple, bold, and perfect for pasta, pizza, or even as a dipping sauce. Let's walk through the history, ingredients, and step-by-step method to create this beautiful dish. Arrabiata sauce has its roots in the Lazio region of Italy. The name Arrabiata translates to angry. Some believe it is referring to the spicy kick from the red pepper flakes. The dish became popular after World War II, when simple, affordable meals were essential. Over time, it became a staple in Roman cuisine and a favorite among locals and visitors. Here's our mise en place. Everything prepared before cooking. We have minced onion and garlic, red pepper flakes, some Marzano tomatoes, olive oil, a bay leaf, sea salt, fresh basil, and your choice of pasta. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. The amount of red peppers you add is entirely up to you. Adjust to the heat level you prefer. We start by heating olive oil in a heavy bottom pan. Add the minced onion with a pinch of sea salt, then cover and cook until translucent, about 10 minutes. Once softened, add the garlic and red pepper flakes. Stir briefly, then add the tomatoes. Add the bay leaf and partially cover the pot. Let the sauce simmer on low heat for about an hour. This slow simmering helps the flavors deepen and the sauce thicken into a rich, concentrated base. Once the sauce has reduced, remove it from the heat. Season with sea salt to taste. Add torn basil leaves for freshness, and finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. This final touch brings out the aroma and rounds off the flavor. Your Arrabiata sauce is ready. Plate your cooked pasta. We use spaghettini, but any pasta you prefer can be used. Penne is a popular one for this dish. Spoon the sauce generously over your pasta, and have some fresh crusty bread close by, so you do not miss any of that beautiful sauce. Some suggestions for this sauce. Serve as an appetizer, dipping sauce with cheesy garlic bread. As a topping for your ribeye steak. Gives that little extra flavor and heat with your main dish. Breaded chicken breast cooked to perfection laid on a pool of Arrabiata sauce, topped with basil, will capture your guest's attention. Thank you for watching. Arrabiata sauce is simple, bold, and full of character. A perfect example of Italian cooking at its best. Enjoy making it and enjoy sharing it. And please remember to subscribe to our channel.